haven't played with these toys for a very long time, but it's going to be perfect. Minnie and Manny will love them as well.
Look, this is our world. These are the continents. This is our home, and let this be the treehouse here.
Where are they?
Excuse me!
Mutlu! Stop! Be careful! Ay. Guess I better make them taste the food in the kitchen.
All right, then. Let's say this is the moon. This is your spaceship. You came quite the long way with the spaceship. You came from a place around here, children. So where is that place? What? Hey, where did they go? Hey, huh?
Look now, you guys. You are here as my picnic guests, okay?
Okay!
Minnie, come quick! I need to show you a very important thing!
We'll be right back.
But wait, what was that? Where are you going?
There is something wrong with this toy rocket. It can't go as far as it should. You see?
Everyone, just calm down. This is not the way, guys. I know that all of us want to show all kinds of things to our new friends here, but it doesn't work if we all do it at the same time. I really think we should learn to share.
I agree with you.
You are so right, dear Neşe.
For example, my mom can set her food on our picnic blanket and they can try different food to find out their favorite. I also got way too old for these toys. Let's make this an everybody picnic. Mutlu can fire his rocket over here. My dad can, Daddy? Oh, come on, Dad.
I was just playing around. I was gonna put them back.
Somewhere very far, Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere I've